In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily deactivate Facebook account in mobile. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app. After that, go to menu. Then tap at Gear to open up Settings. After that, we need to open up Meta Account Center. To do that, tap where it says See More in Account Center. After that, tap at Personal Details. Then Account Ownership and Control, Deactivation or Deletion. After that, choose your Facebook account, and on that step we need to select Deactivate account. It is already selected by default, so I'm just gonna tap at Continue. Continue again, and then we need to enter our Facebook password to confirm the deactivation. And once you've done that, tap at Continue. After that, select any reason from that list. I'm going to choose the first one, and then Continue again. After that, scroll down, and on the next step we have to choose for how long we would like to deactivate our account. By default, it is set to 7 days. We can just stop right here, and then we can select from 1 day up to 7 days. Or also we can choose Do Not Reactivate Automatically. Then we can tap at Done, and to deactivate your account, just tap at Continue. That's how you can easily deactivate your Facebook account in mobile.